Alright guys, so today released the new episode of She-Hulk Attorney at Law, and I liked it. Plus, it's about like She-Hulk, She-Hulk finding a lawsuit of a person that wants to make him a one that She-Hulk wants to make a suit of, but the dude said no, and then she goes to court. And also, there's a person called Leapfrog, which is who's trying to be a superhero but fails to do his failed costume. And then later, after that court, he turns evil and tells and tries to get a better super suit, but fails at the end. But fails when and gets injured once again. But let's talk about the thing that is awesome about this episode, and it is Daredevil. Daredevil is played by the same actor from the Netflix show Defenders and No Way Home, and starts off as Matt Murdock in the same court as Leapfrog, She-Hulk, and the other guy with the other clothes. Then he talks about like superheroes, and then he also went to a restaurant with She-Hulk, but then went to his phone. Then later, when Leapfrog was driving a car and screaming, She-Hulk wears her purple suit that looks awesome and it's like the comic books. And then Daredevil shows up in his yellow and red suit from the comic books. That is amazing. That is sick. Really sick. And yeah. And they had a cool fight scene between each other after Leapfrog crashes after She-Hulk stops the Leapfrog car. And also they later fight some thugs at the Leapfrog's house. Then after that, Daredevil and She-Hulk talk some things, and then out of nowhere they do a romance out of nowhere thing, and then it shows Daredevil with no shoes on. It says morning, and then leaves, and then ends with She-Hulk on a dress, and goes to an award for best female lawyer. And when She-Hulk was about to say things, a man in a deep voice shows a video of She-Hulk on the bedroom making out with another dude. And she got really and people were like they were in a controversial way, and She-Hulk gets super angry and it wrecks it, and the lights go red, and She-Hulk grabs the man right after leaving out the place, and then some officers, like damage control officers, goes freeze, and then it stops. And that was a cool episode, like probably the best one so far. Yeah, probably the best episode of the show. This is a good show. I like it. That's it for his. And also, one awesome thing that the Daredevil theme song from Netflix show is seen briefly when Daredevil was about to say the name Daredevil. That's awesome. So that's it for his video. Peace out. Back to you for another epic video.